Hey, another dryer vent cleaning here in Virginia Beach. What you're looking at is the line that runs from the back of the dryer toward the outside of the house. Actually, we started at the end of the unit and pulled the camera back to show you the amount of dust that accumulates and lint that's highly flammable at the end of your dryer vent too. So got a whole lot in this one, but it's really not nearly as bad as some of the other ones. There was no complete clog in this one or anything like that. So we were able to clean that out, and then here's what it looked like when we were done cleaning it out. So you can obviously see that we were able to remove all of the lint. This was about 22 feet long and really wasn't a problem for us at all. Of course, we know that we got it clean because we've scoped it with a camera. If you guys need dryer vent cleaning done right in Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Norfolk, or Portsmouth, even Suffolk, Virginia, give us a call.